Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer and it shows drivers cannot load on this device. So when you are attempting to restart your computer after uninstalling an update, so a security settings is preventing this driver from loading, you'll need to adjust your settings to load these drivers. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay yung check for optional Windows updates. So download and install. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So dito lang sa search menu and then type mo lang dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, next step ay, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Windows Update dito sa baba. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, next step dito sa Windows Updates. And dito lang sa More Options. So, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Advanced Options. So, click lang natin yan. And then, dito sa Advanced Options, ang next step ay, dito lang sa Additional Options. Under ito ay select mo lang dito yung optional updates. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then dito sa optional updates, so kapag may nakita kang driver updates dito ay kailangan mo lang siyang i-download or i-install. Okay, so meron tayong isa dito. So kailangan lang natin ito i-download or install. So after the installations in downloading, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, if the error still persists, so ang second solutions ay yung disable the memory integrity features. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then next step ay type mo lang dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa settings, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, so makikita mo dito yung Windows Security dito lang sa pinakauna, and then kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then dito sa Windows Security, and then under dito sa protections areas, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung device security. Ito siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong Windows Security. So ang next step, dito na sa device security, and then yung pinakauna yung core isolations. So core isolations helps keep your device safe by protecting the Windows kernel. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong core isolation details. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa core isolations, and then dito na sa memory integrity, so kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay, so prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. So, dito makita mo dito yung kanyang button. So, kailangan mo lang yan i-turn off. Right. And then next, if your CBOs or account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Right. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan on how to fix driver cannot load on this device error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.